Should people subscribe? Should people subscribe? Hey guys, another episode of Jay's Garage coming at you. So this real quick, this is Springfest, May 13th, 2023. There wasn't as many cars at this one as there was last one. Last year, there was 3 or 4 other shows, or 4 or 5 other shows going on, and so there wasn't a whole lot of cars. Last year we had 134 cars, I think it was, and almost 50 Novas. This year there was, I think, 17 Novas. So anyway, enjoy the video. Enough of me talking. Enjoy the video. Thanks.
I mean, the mount I did is actually the brackets and some pieces
I'll be over there 1 second to check it out. Hopefully you need me and I'll come take it.
We're going to start doing all the tickets. Everybody wants to up to the front of the museum. Chair. Hey Troy, here's the mic. Will be wine raffle tickets.
Testing 1, testing 2, test 1, test 2. Test. 2, test 1, 2. Just want to let everyone know, if you open this section, you're getting ready to start the raffle in about 3 minutes. So if you could make your way to the museum, we're going to start the raffle in about 3 minutes. How about that? Once again, we're going to start the raffle in about 3 minutes. So if you're over this way, you want to be included in the raffle. If you entered the raffle, you have a ticket, make your way over to the museum. We'll be starting the raffle shortly. Thank you.
Oh, there we go. Thanks for coming out to the Thunderdome Book Club, the Nova page on Facebook. First of all, Jay's got some announcements he wants to make, and then we will get on with the raffle.
All right, first of all, I want to thank Mike Lee. She donated a stool. And thank you, Galen, for helping out, and Andy Davis. So, my Nova page is Pacific Northwest Nova 16 to 72. And members on that page raised $1,970 altogether. So, if anybody else wants to come up and donate $5, $20, whatever, come up real quick and donate, and we'll add it into that amount. Thank you.
Did the bed go up?
Okay, thanks Jay and all the members of the Nova page that came out today. We'll start doing our raffle tickets. Becky's got one here, number 1. It's a small block engine display.
That's awesome.
John,
That's what happens when my husband makes me take a video. I get to see all the cool stuff.
Yeah, there you go.
That's awesome.
okay, number 92.
Thank you.
929041. 929041. All right, we okay, stand by for number 2. We have a wash bucket kit from Black Diamond Auto Parts. Really good guys up there, they know their stuff. We have number 29029. 029, last 3 numbers. Yes, 929029. All right, Dennis is giving you this nice little gift basket. Thanks for coming out. Next, we have another display engine. This one's a Street Rod small block Chevrolet. Ticket number 929028. 28028, last 3. Oh, so buy more tickets, you get more opportunity.
We now got $990. Anybody else want to step up and give a little bit to the Epilepsy Foundation?
We have a $50 gift certificate for casting iron. The axe throwing. It's not the axe throwing? Oh. Okay, we got this. Hey, we got 929165. 929165.
I would just hate to work on that engine.
All right. That ain't. We have a winner. Next, we have another display engine. This is a 427 Ford single overhead cam.
Springfest Car Show 2023. Unfortunately, there's not even half as many cars here as last year. A couple other car shows going on and people probably out, I don't know about swimming, but they're somewhere else, they're not here. So it's gonna be time for awards pretty soon, so There are some pretty cool cars here though.